guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. In today's video, we're going to be creating this little eyeshadow look right here. It's going to be super nice and simple for you guys, just because I wanted to use this palette again, and this one is the Tarte Maneater palette, and I had to use it just because this palette like has so many colors. It really is inspiring me. It's super easy to use. I did not have as much as fallout as I did the last time. Still fallout, so definitely do your eyes first. Don't be like me and do your foundation. So I wanted to stay on this row right here, which is the pinky side. I hope that this is helpful for you. By the way, if you didn't notice, I do not have any eyeshadows on the bottom. I decided to skip it altogether, as well as mascara. I just want this look to really emphasize our eyelids and like make it really nice and like, you know. So yeah, if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So this is the final look, as you can see, just like you guys saw from the intro. I hope that this was helpful to you guys. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.